like I'm pushing forward with my foot. You see what it does? This is like an incline that I would normally be a little nervous to walk down. And you can see the footprint that these things leave, that those spikes bite down in there. Very impressed on how well these things function. These cleats really do add like a bite to it where it really like locks in. And then you look at this. This does not slide at all, because here we go. So let's see if it grips. So you see how that foot goes down. That was this foot with no ice cleat on it. You almost can't make them slip. I'm here in the southeast and we don't have like a lot of snow, but there is one thing that we do get a lot of, and that's ice. We get tons of ice storms down here, and a lot of times if you're out hiking or go out and I'll kind of scout out a run and I'll hike in, there's one thing that I've always come across at some point or another. It's big sheets of ice, and a lot of times I just try to avoid them. Actually just received these and I put them to the test over the weekend. I want to do a quick review and let you guys know what I thought about them. So yeah, let's do the unboxing. The name on these is called Pecube, P-E-C-U-B-E, however you would say that. Something else that came in the box. It looks like you get some sort of little card. It's just telling you that it comes with an 18-month warranty. And right down here, they're saying that these crampons are marked L. That does not mean a left, that means large. And that's what I have. I have the large. And there is a fit chart that I'll put up on the screen now. The fit chart breaks down the difference in sizings. It's good to have a bag that you can throw these down inside your backpack and not have to break something. It feels like it's a really hardened rubber in the center. These are stainless steel spikes. These are not aluminum. When I did look up a lot of information on crampons, which by the way, these are what I would consider more in the category of a micro spike because of their length. Because a crampon apparently are those extreme, kind of like if we're going to be hiking like Mount Everest or something, we'd use crampons, where this is more of a micro spike. The way they've arranged them here, it's like a little triangle top pattern, so they don't hang up a lot of, so it doesn't get like a lot of snow and ice getting down inside there. I used these all day Saturday and it seemed to work perfectly. Just kind of like the snow would just fall right out of them. 7.5 millimeter spike, and there's a total of 20 spikes per each one of the crampons. So there is a label right here that says front. There is no back label, but it's pretty much self-explanatory, and it has this little ridge right here for pulling up over your shoe. So what this material is a type of elastomer material. It still stays flexible all the way down to -40 Fahrenheit. Apparently, I haven't put that to a test because it never gets that cold here, but you know what? That would be pretty cold. I probably wouldn't even be out hiking in that type of weather. They are lightweight. They come in around about 14 ounces total. So these actually have this flange built in, so that gives it a lot more strength in that area right there, because apparently when I was looking around online, a lot of complaints of other brands had been breaking right in there. So what these guys did, they added a flange in there, kind of help that. And this right here, these pieces are the durometer on this rubber's a lot stronger than this rubber right here. This is very flexible, where this right here doesn't flex as much. You can see I almost can't flex it at all. Just like the bottoms here, these bottoms don't flex at all either. They feel higher quality, but the amazing thing is these things come in around $25, which is absolutely phenomenal. Some of the micro spikes I was looking at, this is half the price. So you can get these in either teal or this jet black color. So I use my Solomon shoes here, and it seemed to work really well on these things. Let me put one on for you real quick. It's a little harder to put them on without having your foot in the shoe, but I'm going to try my best here. When you got your foot in the shoe, it goes really easy. You see how quickly I can get those on, and then when you want to take them off, there is a little ridge back here you just grab. You pull that off and they come off really fast. They fit easily down in the bag. They're ready to go. I was able to put them in my backpack and go about my way. So number one use that I'm going to be doing with it is light duty hiking in colder weather, but you know, these are great for ice fishing, trail running, or anything where there might be a potential of some ice or snow where you might need some traction. You guys leave in the comments below if you've ever used any type of crampon or micro spikes. These are something I'm gonna be carrying with me at all times. And you know what? I went to Colorado, went to some high elevations. I slipped everywhere because I was trying to hike in the snow, and I'm thinking, oh, it's June. What do I need to worry about? Well, when you get over 9,000 feet, you're going to be worried because there's going to be snow up there and there's going to be ice. So don't fall and get hurt. I'll put a link in the description below for where you can pick some of these up if this is something you're interested in. For the price, you can't go wrong. That's all I got today, everybody, for the Pecube crampons. Don't step on anybody's toe. So yeah, let's get out of here. Let's go do some hiking. Let's go do some scouting. That's what I want to do. I want to do some scouting.